Welcome to the DoD mailroom. Working on the Xtype motor. This is chartered conductor on purpose for the intelligent railroader. What we have here is our Xtype motor with cylinder liners, head gaskets. We didn't do the gaskets yet, but there's the headgear cylinder, and what I want you to look at. All right, this is your overhead. So we move the camshaft over to these two lines, and it's going to be a mute one. Same thing, double valves, one for the oil and fuel inlet going in the circle now. Had to redraw these, temp them out another inch. I got their liner, the cylinder liner bolts. All right, let's look at the. All right, the head block is in green, and that goes all the way around. Has holes cut out for the cylinders, and it has a slot tray. This part, the green part, is missing for the top red part, so you can put in the bearing, the locomotive journals, and we'll cut the tape and add some more to it. So these are the crankshaft journal bearings. They slide in from the top before the head gaskets go on, the head blocks go on, which are bolted down right there and there. And then over here, it's going to go water into the cylinder liner, which is purple. And then we're going to bore a hole all the way through the head block. And then there'll be a manual hole here and a manual hole here to connect the crankshaft. So what we got is, we got this side tucking 15 inches up here, 15 inches down here. This is 15 long to cover the whole thing, and then the 6 or something in there. So this is your center. We left them long on both sides because I don't know how I'm going to do the plates yet, but we're just going to cut these and then deal with the rear main oil seal and the front flywheel and the connection plates as they go. So here is a cylinder hole where you reach in through the middle, which is from this side into here. Remember, this is down half. This is half scale down, so it's actually twice as big as this. So it'd be a 10-inch hole, so you'd have plenty of room to go. And then we come here and we run a cylinder water line to each cylinder liner through here. This is the crab hole, manhole, fastening, little outlets into it. So what we did is we're reaching in, grabbing that, connecting it. It's going to be 10 inches. This is going to be double size. From here to here is this. Is from there to there. So here's that part. And on the other side of this, we have that. So this is actually centered going this way. From the center, manhole, and then it shows this one. I'm going to redraw this one. And I'm going to redo this one, so let's see what else we have under here. Okay. Alright, what we have is our crankshaft journal bearing things that slide in from the top. These green lines were drawn from the bottom of the head block, so they wouldn't be here on the top. But these are the fastening screws, and I marked out how far the pistons are apart. I did not offset them. What I'm going to do is, since it goes, they're an Xtype motor, I'm going to actually just curve the piston rod curve that and grab it on one, and all the rest will be straight. So there's no offset between the cylinders, and we'll come back with our paper plate crankshaft bearing journals for this one when I'm done.